Lesson 5. Wrong numbers. Mr. James Scott has a garage in Silbury, and now he has just bought another garage in Pinehurst. Pinehurst is only 5 miles from Silbury, but Mr. Scott cannot get a telephone for his new garage, so he has just bought 12 pigeons. Yesterday, a pigeon got the first message from Pinehurst to Silbury. The bird cover the distance in 3 minutes. Up to now, Mr. Scott has sent a great many requests from spare part and other garden messages from one garage to the other. In this way, he has begun his own private telephone service. Pelajaran 5. Tidak ada nomor-nomor yang salah. Tuan James Scott memiliki garasi di Silbury dan sekarang dia berusaha membeli garasi lain di Pinehurst. Pinehurst hanya berjarak 5 mil dari Silbury, tapi Tuan Scott tidak bisa mendapatkan telepon untuk garasi barunya, jadi dia baru saja membeli 12 merpati. Kemarin, seekor merpati membawa pesan pertama dari Pinehurst ke Silbury. Burung itu menempuh jarak dalam 3 menit sampai sekarang. Pak Scott telah mengirim banyak permintaan untuk suku cadang dan pesan penting lainnya dari satu garasi ke garasi lainnya. Sudah, Pak? Dengan cara ini, dia telah memulai layanan telepon pribadi sendiri. One. Where has Mr. Scott opened his second garage? In Pinehurst. 2. Where is his first garage? Di mana garasi pertamanya? In Silbury. How far away is Silbury? Berapa jauhnya dari Silbury? 5 miles from Silbury. Can Mr. Scott get telephone for his new garage or not? Dapatkah Tuan Scott mendapatkan sebuah telepon untuk garasi barunya atau tidak? What has he bought? Apa yang telah dia beli? 12 pigeons. In how many do they carry messages? Dalam berapa menit mereka merpati membawa pesan-pesan dari satu garasi ke garasi lainnya? 3 minutes. Lesson 6. Versi buttons. I have just moved to a house brick street. Yesterday, a beggar knocked at my door. He asked me for a meal and a glass of beer. In return for this, the beggar stood on his head and sang song. I gave him a meal. He ate the food and drank the beer. Then he put a piece of cheese in his pocket and went away. Later, a neighbor told me about him. Everybody know him. His name is Percy Buttons. He calls at every house in the street once a month and always asks for a meal and a glass of beer. Pelajaran 6. Percy Buttons. Saya baru saja pindah ke rumah di Jalan Brick. Kemarin seorang pengemis mengetuk pintu. Dia meminta saya makanan dan segelas bir. Sebagai imbalannya, pengemis itu berdiri di atas kepalanya dan menyanyikan lagu-lagu. Saya memberinya makanan. Dia makan makanan dan minum bir, lalu dia masukkan sepotong keju ke dalam sakunya dan pergi. Kemudian seorang tetanggaku memberitahuku tentang dia. Semua orang mengenalnya. Namanya adalah Percy Buttons. Dia mendatangi ke setiap rumah di jalan sekali sebulan dan selalu meminta makanan dan segelas bir. 1. Has the writer just moved to a house in Brink Street or not? Apakah penulis baru saja pindah ke sebuah rumah di Jalan Brick atau tidak? Yes, he has. Who knocked at the door yesterday? Siapa yang mengetuk pintunya kemarin? A beggar. Did he sing song or did he ask for money? Apakah dia menyanyikan lagu-lagu atau apakah dia minta uang? He sang song. What did the writer give him in return for this? Apa yang penulis berikan kepada dia sebagai kembaliannya? A meal and a glass of beer. What is the beggar name? Siapa nama pengemisnya? Percy Buttons. She called at every day, every house, once a week for once a month. Apakah dia mendatangi sekali dalam seminggu atau sekali dalam sebulan? He calls at every house in the street once a month. Lesson 7. Too late. The plane was late. The detectives were waiting at the airport all morning. They were expecting a valuable parcel of diamonds from South Africa. A few hours earlier, someone had told the police that Taifis would try to steal the diamonds. When the plane arrived, some of the detectives were waiting inside the main building while others were waiting on the file. Two men took the parcel of the plane and carried it into the custom house, while two detectives were keeping guard at the door. Two others opened the parcel to their surprise. The parcel was full of stones and sand. One, how long were detectives waiting at the airport? Bisa lagi. Terus, Pelayaran 7 sangat terlambat. Pesawat itu terlambat dan para detektif sedang menunggu di bandara sepanjang pagi. Mereka mengharapkan sebuah paket berlian berharga dari Afrika Selatan. Beberapa jam sebelumnya, seorang mengatakan kepada polisi bahwa para pencuri akan mencoba mencuri berlian itu. Ketika pesawat tiba, beberapa detektif sedang menunggu dalam bangunan utama sementara lain menunggu di lapangan terbang. Dua pria mengambil bungkusan dari pesawat dan membawanya ke bea cukai, tempat pemeriksaan. Sementara dua detektif yang lainnya menjaga penjaga di pintu. Dua orang membuka paket itu. Betapa terkejutnya mereka. Paket harga itu penuh dengan batu dan pasir. One, how long were detective waiting at the airport? Berapa lama para detektif menunggu di bandara? All morning. What were they expecting from South Africa? Di apa yang sedang mereka harapkan dari Afrika Selatan? Parcel of diamonds. Where did two men take the parcel after the arrival from the plane? Di mana kedua orang mengambil paket setelah pesawat tiba? The main building. How many detective open it? Berapa banyak detektif membuka paket? Two others open the parcel. What was the parcel full of? Paket penuh berisi dengan apa? Full of stones and sand. Mister,